Are your chickens scratching, losing feathers, or looking restless? They might be under attack from lice or mites. But don't worry, today I will show you how to treat this pest naturally without chemicals using simple solution you probably already have at home. Let's jump in. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate your love and your support. So let's jump right into the video. Chicken farming, how to treat lice and mites in chicken naturally. You may probably be suffering from mites and lice and you don't know what to do. So in today's video we are going to treat them naturally. Lice and mites are common in backyard poultry, but early detection is key. Here is what to look for. What are the signs to look for? Number one sign, excessive preening or scratching. Sign number two, bald patches, especially around vent or neck. Another sign, tiny moving specks under feathers. Another sign, reduced egg laying. It reduces egg laying. Another sign, scabs on comb or wattles. So now, how can we treat lice or mites naturally without spending anything? Now let's treat them the natural way. I'll be sharing 4 methods of treating lice or mites naturally. Number 1, herbal spray treatment. DIY mite and lice spray. All you need is 2 cups of water, 1 cup apple cider vinegar, a few drops of essential oil like tea tree, lavender or neem oil. Spray it under their wings, around the vent, and in the cool corners every few days. If you want to get rid of them completely, you'll be doing it more frequently. The second method, number 2 method, clean and disinfect the coop. Remove all bedding. Sprinkle wood ash in nesting boxes and corners. Of course, I've made a video on that. You can go through my channel how you can add ash in your nesting boxes. Let the coop air dry before adding fresh bedding. That is another way how you'll be able to do it. You allow the coop to air dry before adding fresh bedding. Number 3rd method Number 3 is garlic and apple cider vinegar. In their drinking water, adding garlic and apple cider vinegar in their drinking water. How will you do it? You add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 liter of water. It helps improve immunity. A bit of crushed garlic once a week can also help repel pests from the inside out. I so much love this method because all these methods, I believe they are very simple to lay hands on. So this method is the one that you can mix with your drinking water. So the fourth method, which is the fourth method now, is dust bath with diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth, DE. All what you need to do is to add food grade diatomaceous earth to their dust bath area. It drips out and kills mites and lice naturally. Just don't use too much and avoid breathing it in. That is the last method. So any of this, if you can find any of this method that you may pick any one from these 4 methods, and it works wonderfully. It works very, very well. So we are moving to prevention. Once your chickens are clean and happy, here is how to keep them that way. Keep coops dry and clean. Regularly check feathers and skin. Add herbs like mint, lavender, and rosemary to nesting boxes. Provide regular dust baths. If you have watched to this very point and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and join the great family. Keeping your flock pest-free doesn't have to mean using harsh chemicals. With a few natural remedies and regular care, your chickens will stay healthy and comfortable. Your chicken will stay healthy and comfortable. Remember, prevention is better than cure. If at all you want to prevent it, you can use any of these 4 methods that I've given you, and I can assure you that you will not suffer any lice. And another thing I want us to know is that I mentioned you will see drop in feathers in one of the signs. Sometimes it may be molting, that is why you need to check. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe.